Welcome to Zanzibar, a place where the Indian Ocean glimmers in shades of turquoise. The breeze carries the scent of frangipani and spice, and time slows down in pure luxury. In this video, I'll show you how to experience a truly opulent Zanzibar vacation. From the most sumptuous seaside resorts to indulgent experiences, gourmet dining, designer shopping, and the top-tier airlines to get you here in style. Let's begin. Top luxury hotels and beaches. 5 picks. Here are 5 of the finest luxury hotels in Zanzibar, each with a standout beachfront or sea view offer. When you show visuals include sweeping ocean shots, villa interiors, beach, pools, spa, etc. One, Zuri Zanzibar. Located on Kendwa Beach, where the tide doesn't retreat, giving you constant swimming access. Zanzibar retreats. Stylish villas and suites, lush gardens, high-end amenities, spa, multiple restaurants. Mr. and Mrs. Smith great for sunsets, beach lounging, water sports. Two, Baraza Resort and Spa. An all-inclusive luxury resort on Bweju Beach, blending Swahili, Arabic, and Indian design elements. Baraza Resort and Spa Zanzibar. Villa-style accommodations, private pools, gourmet dining, and spa focus. Baraza Resort and Spa Zanzibar. 3. The Palms. Zanzibar, ultra-exclusive, with only 7 private villas along a pristine coast. The Palms Hotel, adults-only sanctuary, perfect for honeymooners and those seeking total seclusion. The Palms Hotel. 4. White Sand Luxury Villas and Spa, Boutique Relais, and Chateau property on Page Beach with privacy and refined design. Whitesandvillas.com offers gourmet dining, villas with private pools, a tranquil and intimate atmosphere. Whitesandvillas.com. 5. Kilindi Zanzibar. A boutique eco-luxury resort of just 15 pavilions, each with privacy and ocean vistas. Vogue. The architecture is elegant and meditative, ideal after a safari or for couples. Two. 5. Best luxurious activities and experiences. A luxury vacation isn't just about lying on the beach, and it's also about exclusive, unforgettable experiences. Here are 5 of the top ones. One, Private Sunset Dhow Cruise Charter. A private dhow, traditional wooden sailboat, and sail along Zanzibar's coast at sunset. Some include champagne, canapes, and a private crew. Two, Private Snorkel, dive and sandbank excursion. Explore coral reefs or remote sandbanks like Nakupenda in a private boat with gourmet picnic or seafood lunch. 3. Private spa and wellness retreats. Many luxury hotels have world-class spas. Book private treatments, couples massage, hammock therapy, sea salt, scrubs in settings overlooking the ocean. Implicit in luxury resorts' amenities. Four. 2-day luxury safari plus flight, Zanzibar to mainland. Combine Zanzibar with a private safari on the Tanzanian mainland, for example, Serengeti, flying you in style and blending beach and wildlife in one high-end package. Five. Cultural immersion with a private guide. Hire a private guide to show you Stone Town's hidden alleys, spice farm tours, local artisan workshops, and behind-the-scenes visits to historic houses and mosques, all tailored to you. With those experiences, your days become more than vacations. They become rich stories. And after adventuring, you'll want to dine splendidly. Let's look at the top 5 luxury restaurants in Zanzibar. Four. Shopping and boutiques. 5 luxury shopping spots in Zanzibar. While Zanzibar isn't known for large luxury malls like Dubai, there are boutique, artisan, and high-end shops worth visiting. Pair these with your Stone Town walks and resort shopping. One. Rizu Boutique. A boutique in Stone Town with carefully curated local art, fashion, and design items. Mentioned in shopping listings. Aromas Zanzibar. Another boutique/scent shop featured in Zanzibar shopping guides. TripAdvisor. Two. Stone Town artisan shops, souks. Stroll through narrow alleys in Stone Town where you find unique wood carvings, silver, spices, perfumes, and high-end local crafts. Darajani Market, Bazaar. While not a luxury mall, the Darajani Bazaar is the central market and a must-see. Shop for premium spices, fabrics, jewelry, and more. Wikipedia 3. Boutiques inside luxury resorts. Many of the luxury resorts, e.g. Zuri, Baraza, White Sand, have their own boutique shops featuring resort-branded goods, local art, textile, jewelry. Perfect for premium souvenirs. Bring extra luggage space. Many boutique finds are light, textiles, jewelry, spices, but precious. Always ask for authenticity or provenance, especially for art and silver. Five best airlines. Shaki Malasai, premium flight options. To travel in style to Zanzibar, elite travelers prefer airlines with top-tier service, lie-flat seats, excellent lounges, and minimal hassle. Depending on your origin, e.g. Europe, Middle East, here are some premium airlines that fly to Zanzibar or connect well. Qatar Airways offers flights to Zanzibar. You can connect via Doha with excellent business/Q-Swite options. QatarAirways.com Emirates. Known for luxury and connectivity, they operate flights to Zanzibar via Dubai or connecting. Emirates Turkish Airlines often offers good connectivity and premium class service from Europe via Istanbul, common route to East Africa. General knowledge. Ethiopian Airlines, Ethiopian business class. A strong African carrier with good hub connections, Addis Ababa, to Zanzibar, with a high standard in business class. General industry knowledge. Kenya Airways/KLM/Lufthansa, via Nairobi or Dar es Salaam. Depending on route, you can use premium carriers to hubs Nairobi, Dar, and then connect domestically. For example, Lufthansa or KLM to Nairobi, then Kenya Airways. General routing strategy. Montage of sunset over turquoise waters, lanterns lighting up the beach, guests dining by candlelight, slow motion of waves, palm silhouettes, luxury resort at twilight. As the sun melts into the horizon and the tide whispers against Zanzibar's golden shores, you realize luxury here isn't defined by diamonds or champagne. It's defined by the silence between the waves, the stillness of the palms, and the feeling of being far away, yet completely at peace. From private villas on endless beaches, to moonlit dhow sails and barefoot dinners under the stars, Zanzibar reminds you that true luxury is simplicity perfected. So when you pack your bags and fly home, you don't just take souvenirs, no, you take serenity, memory, and magic. This is Zanzibar, where the ocean meets the soul and every moment feels timeless.